Hi, my name is Cynthia Chinonso. I know a lot of you don't know me as Ogadimma, but I love that name so much. So please call me Cynthia or you call me Ogadimma and Chinonso. Yeah. I work for Seamas Properties Limited as the executive director and the lead consultant. I sell real estate. We help people like you buy, sell, rent, or manage your properties, whether landed properties, houses, warehouse, and so much more. Anything properties, we help you with their services. My ideal customer is you that is watching me. You are my ideal customer. As long as you want to invest your money in any business, I can help you invest that money in the right business, because real estate is the only business that is real. So you are my ideal customer. I use all social media platforms. I use TikTok, I use Facebook, I use Instagram, I use LinkedIn, I use YouTube. We have a website also. So I use majorly every platform to sell my real estate. If I have 50 million naira, I would not invest in stock. I won't invest in stock market. I would prefer to invest in real estate, because real estate cannot disappoint you when you do it the right way. But stock market takes a little longer to grow. So I think I prefer real estate investments anytime, any day. Some challenges that most investors discuss before investing are usually where to get the right property, the documentation procedures. Every investor is scared of losing their money, so they always try as hard as possible to make sure that they buy the property that they desire to buy in the right location. And they also try as much as possible to invest their money in somewhere that wouldn't crash. So I think those are the few concerns of most investors. That question is very tactical, if you ask me. But for me, it depends. Now, this question depends on your intention to this investment. Now, for me, if I am buying this property to live or to live in it, I think I would. I like big things a lot. I don't know why, but I think I'll go for Banana Island, because Banana Island is quite huge. It's quite huge. The appreciation is massive, right? So if I'm going to live in it, I think I would invest in Banana Island. And on a second thought, if I have the amount of money to invest in Banana Island, I can probably get some. This topic is actually very tactical, but both of them are not bad anyway. It depends on your location. It depends on your intentions, right? So I can actually use the money for the Banana Island. I can spread it across. Lagos State, because there are so many viable locations in Lagos State that can thrive in no distant time, right? So I think I'm a bit confused right now. I think I would. I don't know. Let me hear from you. Let me hear from you, please, because we're here to learn. So, but me, if I want to leave, I'll live in Banana Island. But if I also want to invest in strategic business locations in real estate, I can buy some properties in Lekki Phase 1, I can also live in Lekki Phase 1 because Lekki Phase 1 is not actually far from Banana Island. I can buy some property there, lesser, I live there, then invest in some other part of Lagos State that can make money for me while I sleep. So that question is actually very tactical, but if you have an opinion, please drop it in the comment section because I'm not an island of knowledge. I would like to also learn from you. Mistake first-time property buyers make is definitely not doing the right research. They don't ask the right questions. They don't go through the right channels, and they don't hire the services of a good professional. So I think those are the major mistakes a first-time home buyer make. Not doing the right thing at the right time. I could give one real estate advice to a young Nigerian. I would say that before you invest in any business aside real estate, you have to do a thorough research. You have to do your findings well. And if you've not done that business before, there is nothing wrong in collaboration. Collaborate with people who have done that business before you. You know, the reason why most businesses fail is because a lot of people are greedy. They don't want to work with people who have done the business in the past. They don't want to share their profit with people who think or who have done this before. So they tend to start it, and they tend to fail along the line. And I mean, money is not easy to come by. So if you have money to invest in any business at all, not just real estate, but if you have money to invest in any business at all, do well to consult a mentor. Have somebody who is a mentor, somebody who you can rely on, somebody who have gone ahead of you in that industry. There's nothing wrong in it, whether the person is older than you or he's younger than you, but there is nothing wrong in getting the right information from the right people and the right channel. So that will be my number one advice to the young Nigerian. You're asked if security, pricing, and location. 3 of them works hand in hand. There's none of them that is not relevant. You get everything, all of them are very relevant now, but first thing first, it has to come with pricing. You have to be sure of how much you have in your pockets before you start making a move to buy a property. If you don't have a budget, you would only be wasting your time and the time of whoever is helping you search for a property. Now, your pocket has to tell you how to go about that investment. Now, security is also good because when your pricing is well thought of, you consider how much you have in your pockets, and it can give you a proper security in investments. And definitely, location is the key in anything, any business at all. Location is number one. You can't overemphasize location in investing in any type of business, not just real estate, but any kind of business. Location is key. So 3 of them works hand in hand. There is none of them that you should leave out in investing in real estate. So thank you so much for watching. Do well to follow for more of these updates, and if you have any more questions to ask, please leave it in the comment section. I'll answer everything. In fact, we will learn together. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.